Good day everyone. Thank you for visiting my channel again. Today I am going to talk about how to look 10 years younger than your age with home remedies. Look 10 years younger than your age. Everyone wishes to look younger than their actual age, trying hard to maintain it. As we grow older with time, wrinkles, fine lines, dark spots start appearing on the skin. It's not possible for us to go back in times, but it is possible to make the skin look younger with proper care. There are a few techniques using which we can look 10 years younger than we actually are, with some limitations. It shouldn't be overdone, else it may make you look odd. So below are a few home remedies, skincare routine ideas and a few makeup tips to look young. Most important thing is to practice it regularly for best results. Exercise daily. Moving your body for at least 30 minutes a day is good for your mind and your complexion. Cardio boosts circulation, which is why your face looks flushed and rosy for hours after exertion. Sitting in a steam room, which causes your heart to pump out more blood than normal, also increases blood flow to your face. Exfoliate. Remove all the dead cells accumulated on your face and lessen the sun damages. A facial and body scrub with alpha hydroxyl is best to make you look fresh. Facelift mask. A facelift mask or a facial mask specially made to reduce your facial wrinkles can help you a lot in looking younger, and remove excess of oil on the face. Avoid sun rays. Don't let the sun rays touch your skin as much as possible. Always wear a sunscreen or a sunblock whenever you go outdoors between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Reapply the sunscreen lotion every 4 hours. Clean your diet. To keep your skin as taut and glowy as possible, load up on colorful whole foods, good fats, vegetable, fruits, fatty wild fish, and lean protein. Avoid sun ray lotion every 4 hours. Facial massage. Massaging never ends only on your body but also your face, by using facial ultrasonic and hot and cold hammer. Keep yourself hydrated. Yes, it is a proven fact that drinking sufficient amount of water is the natural way of taking care of your skin and health. Water flushes out toxins from your body, which helps to control wear and tear of your skin. So the next time you are thirsty, try to have water over other carbonated drinks. Clear the makeup. Of course, makeup helps in hiding the flaws on your face, but do not go overboard with it. Too much makeup can actually make you look fake. Do not forget to remove the makeup with the help of a good cleanser, or baby oil before sleeping. This is utmost essential, as makeup kept overnight can be harmful for the skin. Stay fit. The best way to look young is to maintain your fitness levels. No, we are not asking you to spend hours together in the gym. Fitness is all about eating right and maintaining a regimen of daily exercise. Try to balance a healthy diet with some amount of exercise. Avoid stress. This may look difficult to do, but then if you can master the art of keeping stress at bay, early signs of aging may also stay away from you. Too much stress has a bad effect on our body as well as on our skin, which makes you look older than you actually are. Have a good sleep. If you are not getting the right amount of sleep, it is bound to show on your face. You must realize the changing needs of the body and give it enough rest to keep yourself away from an aging skin. Sleeping for 6 to 8 hours daily is a must, to look fresh and effervescent, just the way we want it. Surround yourself with positive people. You may have noticed that there are some people who send positive vibes, while some others do the opposite. Try to stay away from people who are too critical or judgmental of you. Instead, spend time with those who actually appreciate you. You will notice that life is in a much better place that way. It will also make you smile wholeheartedly, which is one more way of looking younger. Thanks for watching once again. Please do not forget to subscribe, so that you would not miss out the next video. Have a nice time ahead.